Shadow Puppet Theatre is an inexpensive family activity that will build memories. This craft is so easy to make. All you need is an empty cardboard box, cut it with a craft knife upside and downside. What we need is a TV shape. It's better to take a rectangle shaped box. This is the shape we need. Then I took two butter papers. You can use single butter paper also. It depends upon the size of the box. And stick them with a tape. This will act as a screen to our TV. Then I took a template, the story which I want to narrate to my children, and cut the creatures. To make them look more lifelike, cut the detailings too. I pasted them to a bamboo stick. So this was a setup. I was between the screen and the light. I used mobile phone light. You can use torchlight also. I used clay to make the puppet stand. I was behind moving the puppets. So this is the way I enjoy time with my kids. I also made a video on 5 activities to limit screen time for a creative, happier child. Please check the link in the description box. Friends, children communicate through play. Children learn empathy and develop social skills through play. They work out the fears and decrease anxiety through play. So play is highly important to the emotional development of a child. Shadows are fascinating, fun. My kids love creating different shapes and creatures on the wall. I bet your kids will like shadows too. I hope you enjoyed the video and don't forget to try it with your kids. They will love it. Thanks for watching.